Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Set your camera's file type to JPEG and choose image quality between 80% and 100% so the camera writes a compressed JPEG file immediately. Select sRGB color space for consistent color across web and devices and set resolution appropriate for your needs. For example, 24MP or 6000 x 4000 pixels for high detail. Turn off RAW capture or RAW plus JPEG so the camera does not save a separate RAW file. This ensures the only file produced by the camera is a JPEG image ready for use. If you have a PNG, TIFF, or RAW file, open it in an editor like Photoshop or FreeGIMP and choose Export or Save as JPEG. Set the quality slider to 80 for good balance between size and visual fidelity, and resize to target dimensions such as 1920 x 1080 or 2048 pixels if you need smaller files. Ensure the color profile is sRGB and pick baseline or progressive JPEG. Baseline is universally compatible, while progressive improves perceived load on slow networks. After exporting, choose a final quality between 70% and 85% depending on target. 85% preserves detail, 70% is useful to reach strict file size goals, for example near 80 KB. Remove EXIF metadata and comments to reduce size and protect location privacy. Rename the file with a JPG extension and verify dimensions and file size. Aim for a publication width like 1200 pixels when required. Finally, preview the JPEG at 100% to ensure no visible artifacts before distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.